Today I'm here at Radiance at Superstition Vistas, one of the most beautiful communities in the East Valley. If you look over there, you can see the Superstition Mountains in the background. Today I'm going to be sharing my favorite floor plan for the single level 2,000 square foot range. There is a model of it, and we're going to be taking a quick tour inside, and it's reasonably priced. So let's go check it out.
The Kingston is not only my personal favorite single-level floor plan, the Kingston is a top seller for D.R. Horton here at Radiance at Superstition Vistas. At around 2,000 square feet, this home checks all the boxes buyers are looking for, starting with the open concept layout that flows perfectly for everyday living and entertaining. And the kitchen? It's a total standout, featuring a massive, unique island, tons of cabinet space, and generous counters, perfect for hosting, cooking, or just spreading out. The primary suite is huge, easily fitting a king-size bed, a couch, an ottoman, and still leaving plenty of room to move. The ensuite bathroom offers double sinks, built-in shelving, and a very respectable-sized walk-in closet. You'll also find 3 additional bedrooms that share a secondary bathroom with double sinks, ideal for families or guests. The Kingston is currently priced in the low 500s, and you'll definitely want to contact me directly to learn more about D.R. Horton's incredible incentives and financing options, with rates well below typical resale market rates. These homes are in high demand, so reach out soon to get on the wait list and before the incentives are gone. The community itself truly sets this home apart. Radiance offers resort-style amenities, including an enormous pool, splash pad, playgrounds throughout the neighborhood, a clubhouse, fitness center, basketball court, and more. It's also home to the newest American Leadership Academy K-12 campus, one of the most popular charter schools in the East Valley, scheduled to open in fall 2026, making this an even more attractive option for growing families.
Okay, so there you have it. If you'd like to tour this home in person and find out what available lots we have out here at Radiance, make sure you give me a call. I'd love the opportunity to help you find the perfect home for you and help you live your luxe life.